A Galaxy A55 might suddenly stop receiving phone calls due to issues such as poor cell reception, network problems, or software glitches. If you have this issue, the first thing you need to do is to check your phone's reception. Just look at the network bars on the upper right corner of your screen. If there are few to no network bars, move to a spot with a stronger signal. However, if your phone is getting a decent reception and the problem continues, then move on to the next solution. What you need to do next is to enable airplane mode for a few seconds. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the airplane icon. Wait a few seconds and then tap on it again to disable it. If this doesn't fix the problem, then restart your phone. To do that, press and hold the power and volume down buttons. When the options show, tap on Restart and then confirm it. Now wait for the phone to finish restarting and check if the issue is resolved. Another thing you should do if the problem persists is to reset the mobile network settings on your phone. To accomplish this, launch Settings and scroll all the way down. Tap General Management, then tap Reset. Select Reset Mobile Network Settings and then tap Reset Settings to proceed. It will take just a few seconds to reset the mobile network settings. If the issue persists after trying all these solutions, you may need to contact your carrier as it could be an account or network-related issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials.